Hi guys, and welcome back. So this is going to be part 2 of building my own polytunnel. First video did really well, so I'd just like to say thank you to everyone who watched and commented on that, and I'd also like to say thank you to those who bought me a coffee via the link. Those donations have gone towards getting some materials. Currently we spent £66. Obviously I put most of that in myself, but those donations went towards helping getting that. But we bought a pack of 10 of these 3x2 scantwood and a pack of 10 of these 4.2 metre roofing battens, and that's all that we've purchased so far, and that came up to £66. So I've recorded what I can of it, put together a few clips. There are a few bits that are missing. I'd forgotten to record on one part of it, but I do talk through and explain what's happened there in the video. Currently waiting for one more pallet to finish off here, and I have just noticed that I don't have enough PVC piping, so I'm going to have to buy probably a 15 or a 20 metre roll of that just to get these last two hoops in. But I don't mind paying for that. It's only another, I think it's £40 for 25 metres, so it's not too bad. Plus it'll get used in the garden, or even in here in the future anyway. So hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and thanks very much for watching. Please do consider subscribing if you haven't already, and link to the Buy Me a Coffee is in the description if anyone is interested in donating anything to help out with this. Very much appreciated. So enjoy the video, and I'll carry on with this. Hello and welcome back again. So as you can see, we've managed to make a bit more progress on this today. I'll talk you through everything what we've done, but we've had a good couple of hours at it here today. Right then, so as you can see, we've made quite a bit more progress with the frame. We've managed to cut 2 more pallets in half and get a bit of a doorway going there, but we're still 1 pallet short for there, so I haven't finished that corner yet, but the rest of it is all secured together and braced, top and bottom, just to stop them coming apart. And after my last video, I was lucky enough to get a couple of donations which went towards buying roofing battens. So bought a pack of them, pack of 10 of them, and 10 of these 3x2 pieces of scantwood. Just got the rest of them there. I use these to make the frame at the back and to carry on round the sides here. You can see that I've added these lengths of 2x1 batten to the sides. I've just removed the old nut and bolt and screwed through the whole frame and into the timber. I've done that where all the old bars were going across. Then I've removed the bottom section of the polytunnel, the old one, and fixed that through the old holes, screwed straight through into there. And I am going to run another piece of 2x1 batten on here just to box them both together. I've done that all the way around. All this frame now is secured to the lower frame. So now all that's secured to the bottom here. Obviously we need another pallet for here just to finish off the base. And then once we've done that, we can go ahead and put our new PVC piping in up and around here and fix that the same. Should be able to build a doorway with some of the materials that I've got, and a frame for that back wall can go up now as well. I'll get on doing that. So I think the next thing for us to do whilst we're waiting to find another pallet is to frame up this back half and get all that ready. I want to put a window in the back here just so I can get through ventilation properly. It's one mistake I didn't do with the other one, which I wish I did. Right then guys, so just going to be putting in the last piece of this framework on the back wall here. This is where we're going to have a window. So we'll have a decent sized window here, and that'll allow air to flow through freely. So I carried on with this framework last night, I left my phone up there recording, only to find out that I hadn't pushed the record, so I missed out a lot of that. But we'll get these last few bits in and we'll talk through everything what we've done. Right then, so that's what I've managed to do with the back wall here. Just put a brace across, and a couple uprights and one in the middle. That now is pretty sturdy. And I've also added length batten down and screwed into the pallets here and here. Same just over here, and I've done that on either side. I might do it on every post.
What? Daddy? Oh, no. Daddy. No. Hey. No. What? Yeah. Daddy, Bobby.
Right, so after adding these braces coming down, I thought I'd add a few more on each hoop, just because it's an extra form, an extra way of holding this to the bottom, and it adds some more strength to it. So I'm just going to find it in the centre of the pole there. Find out where it's plumb. And put a little pencil mark there. Screw that one in from behind, just so likely part of the screw isn't going out towards any of the polythene. Make sure that's on the mark there. That's adding more strength to it. And what I can do is put cross pieces between these, and in the future, if I wanted to, I can run a shelf right the way along, so they'll come in very handy in the future, I'm sure, and it's extra support. So got another one to put on this side, and that'll be about it for today, I think. Right then guys, so I'll get these screws grounded off, and that'll be it for this video today. So I'd like to say thank you very much for watching, and please keep an eye out for part 3, which will be out in the next week or two, and please don't forget to subscribe and drop me a comment below. Bye for now.